Tonight, only on 4, serious concerns about some parts of that iconic roof that covers Denver International Airport. CBS 4 investigator Brian Moss learned of the problems, and let's get out to Brian right now out at DIA. Brian?
Karen, the massive roof over the main terminal at DIA is made up of a fabric membrane, steel masts holding up the roof, and structural steel cables also helping hold it up. But this recent report on the structural health of the DIA roof is raising some serious concerns. The peaked roof over the main airport terminal is internationally recognized for its unique design.
It's nice. Yeah, it's a good idea.
Inspectors regularly check the nearly 30-year-old roof. But in this January report obtained by CBS 4, roof inspectors said they found 40 cables need immediate replacement. Those cables located near the top of the roof inside the Great Hall. Inspectors wrote there is concern of failure in the 20 more severe cases. Though we cannot say how soon a failure may happen, we do not recommend waiting on replacement of these cables. They call the issue critical. In other places, they noted cables are likely overloaded. Cable failure is of concern. This was immediately brought to the airport's attention. These pictures of what is called a crushing effect make visually clear what's going on with some of the cables that help anchor the 400-ton roof. That sounds really serious. Jim Starling oversees DIA construction.
So if an individual element failed, there would still be redundancy within the structure.
While the canopies for the airport roof were judged to be in pretty good condition, and corrosion is what would be expected, the inspectors found tears in the main roof, ranging from 3 feet to 6 feet in length, which they fixed. They said some of the tears occurred during the Great Hall construction project. And the report says some other cables supporting the roof are starting to show troubling signs, saying east and west curtain wall exterior cables are in poor condition and of concern.
There are systems that are coming to the end of their useful life.
The fabric roof over the main terminal here is the length of 3 football fields, 375,000 square feet. And the inspectors say it's nearing the end of its life and needs to be fully replaced in the next 5 to 8 years.
We got the iconic roof, and we need to make sure it stays in good shape.
Now, the airport says its structural engineers and other personnel are currently meeting weekly, talking about this report, examining it, and trying to figure out what their next steps might be. They hope to have an action plan by June or July. Live at DIA, I'm Brian Moss, covering Colorado First.